Okay, so after a bit of cursing and finagling, I got them hooked up. These tubes, as you can see here, go in there perfectly straight. When you're first butting these things up, if you leave the tubes disconnected by the 6mm bolt on the outside, these tubes will actually flop around easily. And by the way, this bracket here too, I had to remove and then bend it back to allow these tubes to come back a little farther. As you can see, I was scratching them here, just trying to get some wiggle room. So you can actually just remove this one bolt here on the bottom and bend this back, and then just bend it back to where you need it to close it up. And then this cover here goes in. It's got 3 bolts that holds it in. So I'll go ahead and close this thing up and then hook up the heater hoses on the outside. On the other side of the firewall, like I said, right in the middle of the heater hose, there's a 6mm bolt that you could remove. Putting it back in is kind of interesting because it's blind, so you probably need to use like a little piece of black tape or something and put it on the head and put it inside the socket. Otherwise, you'll drop that screw real easily. But I'll show you that in a sec.